Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another tutorial video, and as you can see I'm using RGB keyboard on my smartphone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install RGB keyboard on a smartphone. So before I start, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you subscribe it already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Play Store and searching for RGB keyboard, and as you can see here is lots of applications that also working same, but today I'm downloading lead keyboard lighting, and it has 4.6 and it is only 22 megabyte. It also downloaded 10 million times. So click and download. So guys, download done, and click the open, and as you can see it's opening. So it required for the first time it required some permissions. So click the get start. As you can see my other keyboard, but right now I'm enabling lead keyboard. Then go to back, and input options, click the and select lead keyboard, then open. Very fast, as you can see here's lots of themes you can choose or your one. So I'm choosing first one, RGB star, and you have to you can test here. So for these themes, download themes. So themes applied, as you can see my keyboard changes. Its background wallpaper is star and keyboard. So here's lots of free themes here. You can choose one of your, then here is lots of category by wallpaper. You can choose your wallpaper, then color and gradient. Then you can this keyboard support lots of language, so Arabic, Armenian and Bengali, also Hindi available. So you can choose also font style like that, and keyboard layout. You can select sound effect on your keyboard, lots of sound here, and you can choose your, then you can enable your raw number on it work at here, as you can see number raw. So and here's lots of options. So basically mainly it's for RGB keyboard, and here's lots of other options. So I hope this video did helpful. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So see you next video.